Hi guys, welcome to today's video. It feels so good to be filming again. So I had a few videos in mind and then I decided, you know what, my empties bin is getting a little bit full. I don't have a ton of empties, but I do have a good amount, so I figured I would share them with you guys today. So I figured, you know what, let's just go through all of my empties and then I can start fresh, and then hopefully by the end of summer, early fall, I will have another bin of empties. So let's talk about the first item. The first empty is actually the Tru Earth Eco Strips. Now they did send me quite a few of these to test out and mention in a video. So this one here is the Tru Earth Eco Strip Ultra, and it's in the scent Fresh Linen. I'm gonna be honest with you, the Fresh Linen scent, I'm not the biggest fan of. It almost seems like there's an undertone of like a floral in here somewhere. I don't know, but this scent for me, I'm just not the biggest fan of. But after you wash your clothing, it doesn't smell like it on the clothing. Your clothing just kind of smells like fresh. So this one here, it's probably a scent that I wouldn't purchase again, but if I receive them as a gift, if I receive them again, I would use them, just not my first go-to scent choice. These here are amazing. I love them. They are in sheets, and you can use a full sheet if you have a big load or half a sheet if you have a smaller load. And I personally find that using half a sheet for every single load I do is much better, because when I use a full sheet, even if it is a big load, I feel like there's always soap left over or the actual sheet will get stuck to the machine somehow. So using half a sheet, I prefer much better. I've been using half a sheet since I finished this one because I have started a new one, and it has worked really well. Half sheet goes a long way. It works well. It cleans clothing really well. I am currently working on the same type of pack, the same scent. I kind of want to finish that up and then I'll move on to the other. I believe I have unscented and then baby. So we're going to see how those two are, but this one here has been working really well. I like the idea of not having a big jug. This you can just put in the recycle. The strips you just toss in the washer. It is so much easier. It's so much easier to store these as well. I like how if you're going somewhere, you can just bring a sheet with you instead of having to like put liquid in a container, you know what I mean? Like I say, I do prefer using just half a sheet, and they do last quite a while. Like a pack does last quite a while. I believe this pack, because I did use like full sheets every now and then, this one did last me, I'd want to say about 2 months. I can't really recall. The pack I'm currently working on, I did start it at the beginning of June, so we'll have a better idea of how long it lasts. But yeah, I really like these. You're going to see these a lot in my empties because I have quite a few more and I will use them up. And I honestly think that after I finish the ones that they had sent me, I am going to either purchase these again or I'm going to look into like pods, because I just prefer it so much over a big messy jug. So let's talk about a hair product. This is the Fanola NutriCare Nutra One 10 Actions. This is a restructuring spray mask and I love it. It's a leave-in mask. This is like one of my favorite products to use. I love it because it's like a cross between a conditioner and a liquid. Really nice to spray in your hair. It detangles so well. It helps to bring out like your natural waves. I ran out of it. I'm using one of their oils right now, but I love this. I would use this every single day. I'd use it right out of the shower, put it in my hair. My hair would get really wavy. The next morning, if I wanted to refresh it, I could use this. It detangles well. It keeps my hair nice and hydrated, nice and healthy. I do have a backup one of these that I am going to be using soon, but I decided to open up the Orotherapy oil. This is one of my favorites if you're looking for like a good detangling product, if you're looking for a good leave-in product, if you're looking for something just to help refresh your hair. Definitely check this out. It's amazing. I love it. I've went through so many bottles of this because of how much I love it. So a hair product that I'm not the biggest fan of, this is actually the Attitude Super Leaves Shampoo Color Care and Repair. So I ended up getting this one day because typically when I go to the drugstore to buy shampoo, I get the Monday shampoo and conditioner, but for some reason, I think they only had shampoo, they didn't have conditioner, and I really wanted to just buy like a set. So I ended up getting this along with the conditioner. I already finished the conditioner of the last empties and I just finished this one now. It's okay. Like, I don't feel like it does anything good for my hair. I don't feel like it's bad, but it's definitely not one that I would get again. I just feel like it's okay. It's not like a reliable one like the Monday. I prefer the Monday. This one was just it was okay. Like, there's really not that much to say about it. It was just okay. Would I get it again? No. I would probably try something else over this one because it was just, nah. So let's talk about a product that was pricey. This is the La Roche-Posay, what is this? Micellar Water. It is the Ultra. It's for cleansing, makeup removing, anti-tightness, anti-redness. It has no perfume and it's 400 milliliters. I got this because it was on sale. So I ended up finishing like my, what was it? It was a Biogel? I can't remember, but I ended up finishing a like gel makeup remover. Then I was looking for one and I ended up finding this one on sale and I said, you know what? I'm gonna try it because I do want to see how it is. I've heard a lot of good things about the brand. This lasted a really long time. Like, it lasted a long time. I do my makeup about 10 times in a month, and I know some people do their makeup more, some people do their makeup less, but honestly, I found that this lasted a really good amount of time. I do like how this one didn't make my skin feel too tight. It didn't irritate my skin. It didn't burn my skin. It wasn't drying. It didn't like break me out. Like, I really did enjoy this and I really did like this. Do I think that this is something I would like run out of my way for to get again? No. Honestly, the CeraVe cleanser that I'm using now removes my makeup, so I really don't see a point in having to repurchase this. And I am someone who likes more of like a cream. So I feel like if I do get a makeup remover, I would want to try like a cleansing balm. There's something about that like texture, the consistency that I like better than just a water. But honestly, I would just put a few drops of this on one of my reusable cotton squares, remove my makeup, and then go in with the cleanser. So if you are looking for like a good makeup remover, if you were curious about this, it did work well. It did last a long time. I enjoyed it. Does it remove like everything? There is some makeup that would be stubborn with this that you would definitely need to go in with like a second cleanser, but for the most part it did work really well and I did enjoy it because I used it all up. So I ended up finishing this bottle of moisturizer. It was just gifted to me from a customer, so I decided, you know what, let's use it. It was like the winter time, so I just used it. And now I am just using my Lubriderm Moisturizer, which is my favorite, and I'm also using, I think it's like a Vaseline moisturizer. It's in my shower, so I like having 2 big bottles of moisturizer, one in my bedroom, one in my bathroom, and then I like to have like a bottle or 2 that are smaller that I can throw in my purse or keep like under the armrest of my couch or my bathroom or something like that. So this one here was good. That's about that. Okay, so I also used up the White Barn First Snow Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. I really liked this. It smelled really good. It's funny because my sister, she got me hand soaps for Christmas, but I am picky with scents. So I do make candles, and it's funny because a lot of the time I will say I do not like florals, I don't like this scent, I don't like that scent, I don't like this. She's like, oh my goodness, you're so picky with scents. I don't know if I got you 2 scents that were good, but I have to describe this one as like a, I don't know how you would describe it, like, I don't want to say like a cologne, but it has that really nice like warm undertone to it. It's not floral, it's not sweet, it's really nice. So I did really enjoy this. I don't typically buy myself like Bath and Body Works or White Barn, so it's always a really nice treat when someone else buys it for me. Typically, whenever I run out of soap, I just go where I just pick up the most affordable soap wherever I am, the grocery store, the dollar store, Walmart. That is typically what I do. So this one was a really nice treat. Really liked it. If you get soaps from Bath & Body Works, definitely check out the First Snow. Okay, so these are 2 items that I just have to get rid of. I am not keeping them anymore. It's a waste. I was keeping them for a while and then I decided, you know what, I am gonna get rid of them. So this is the Lady Speed Stick Zero. It is the Simply Clean deodorant. It's aluminum free. And this is the Dove 0% aluminum in cucumber and green tea. I did a video reviewing these 2 deodorants, and honestly, right after that video, I basically went out, picked up just a regular deodorant. I've been using that deodorant ever since, so it's been like a month, and I have 0 complaints. Does it have aluminum? Yes. Do I smell? No. Is it annoying? No. So you know what? I am gonna just continue on with that. I'm gonna get rid of these. I am tired of using these. They would sit in my bags. I would never use them. They were just taking up room, taking up space. So I'm gonna finally say goodbye to these. Is it empty? Nope, but I'm not gonna take the time to empty them because I don't like them. And then I also finished a Fanola No Yellow mask, and I love the Fanola No Yellow. It works so well. I've been using the No Orange, so my hair has been a little bit more on the yellow side. But when you use the No Yellow, it does go more on like the ashier side, which I love. So I ended up using the mask, and I truly love it. If you're blonde, using Fanola is so good. It maintains your hair so well. You're able to go longer without having to go to the salon, which is what I found. I love the Fanola No Yellow. Like the purple shampoo from Fanola is one of the best ones that I have tried, and I have tried many, so you can't go wrong with the shampoo or the mask. This is the mask. The mask works just as well as the shampoo does. The thing that I like about the mask is it's a little bit more hydrating than the shampoo, and I believe it's a little bit more pigmented than the shampoo. But I do find that I go through the mask a little quicker than the shampoo. But they're both really good. The last item I actually used was a bar of soap. Do I have it? No. I wanted to take a picture and show you guys, but I completely forgot. But it was a handmade bar of soap. I always buy handmade bar of soap. I always buy from one specific small business. She makes her soap, so I bought a bar of soap. I ended up finishing that one. It was like an ocean breeze or an ocean mist rain. I can't remember, but I ended up finishing one of those, and I'm currently working on honey and oatmeal. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below a product that you recently finished up, or if you're close to finishing one, and I'll see you in the next one very soon. Bye.